Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Freeyond M6 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the section wallpaper and style. Now let's tap on this change wallpaper option, which is right under the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. So let's tap. Here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So My Photos, which is obviously your own gallery. So you can set your own photo as a wallpaper, and on-device wallpapers, which are pre-installed. And as you can see here, we've got some options. All you have to do in order to check the preview of the wallpaper is to tap on it. So let me choose this one. And as you can see, it will be immediately shown on the home screen and the lock screen, so you can check whether you like it or not. If you want to apply it, just tap on this check icon in the right lower corner, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen or both home and lock screens. So let me choose this option. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.